This wig is from Klaiyi Hair. All their information is in the description box below. With the wig came this really cute silk robe that looks like this, a really cute makeup bag, which I already used, a wig band, a wig cap, some lashes, and a cute makeup brush. So this is what the wig looks like. It's a 24-inch Balayage body wave wig. It is a 13x4 frontal. And this is what the inside looks like. Has the two combs on the sides. It comes with the elastic bands and the comb at the bottom, as long as the lace, and then the other two adjustable straps at the back. So let's go ahead and get into styling this hair. So per usual, my wig cap is already on and installed. I'm using this cream makeup that I got from Walmart. It's from Black Opal. I'm not sure of the color, but I've been using this for centuries. It's really, really good. It really covers the lace, not the lace, the wig cap really well, and it does the job. So now I'm going through with my lace tint. Love this freaking lace tint. I got it from the beauty supply store. I don't know if you can find it online, but you can probably find like a dupe for it on Amazon. I'll try to find one and I'll link it below for you. But yeah, I use this to cover the lace. I did bleach my knots, but I like the lace tint because it makes the lace more in line with my actual skin tone, if that makes sense. So now I'm just going to put on the wig and adjust it to my head. Now I'm going to apply my glue to my forehead. I got this from Wig Dealer. I think I did about two layers of glue in total. Even though I really didn't need all of that, one probably would have been really good because I'm going to go through with my Lace Bond wig spray anyway. But yeah, I'm just going to spread it all over my hairline and give it a quick blow dry. So before I did the video, I did pluck this hairline, but I realized here that I didn't pluck it enough. So off camera, I did go through and re-pluck the hairline. So I just want to let you know that no, it doesn't look like this the whole time. But the hairline does come looking relatively similar to this. So you will have to do quite a bit of plucking to get it looking natural. And now I'm just spraying the Wig Bond hairspray behind my hairline to give it some extra security, and then I'm going to wrap it. One thing I can say about Klaiyi is they have really good lace on their wigs. It makes it like really, really easy and simple to work with. The lace is really like soft and easy to cut. Like I don't struggle. Like some lace is very like difficult to cut. I don't know if that makes sense, but the way the hairline is in conjunction with the lace is really beginner friendly. Like if you're not a super professional like with lace like me, this was very easy to work with and it blends really well. I'm not quite sure if it's transparent. All that information will be in the description box below, but whatever lace this is, it's really good and super easy to work with. So for this look, I decided I wanted to do a deep side part with like the really cute, dramatic looking baby hairs on the sides. You'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, so because the hairline and the hair on this wig itself is very fine, it made it really, really easy to like style the baby hairs and work with the lace. So now I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of this look. Now for this style, I decided I wanted to try something a little bit different when it comes to curling. I decided I wanted to do pin curls, or like pin the curls up as I go. Because normally I would take my curling iron, wrap it around the barrel, and just let it drop. But I decided I wanted to pin them up just so that the curls like hold a little bit tighter than they normally do. So that's what I'm doing. By the way, this curling iron is a Hot Tools curling iron. Got it from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. It's about like a 1.5 inch barrel. It's my favorite curling iron. Yeah, so now I'm just wrapping my hair around the barrel, around my face, or away from my face, and I'm just rolling up the curl, and I'm pinning it with a like a claw clip, or not a claw clip, but just a regular clip. I don't have like the little mini silver clips that people typically use for these styles. I just used what I had, and it still came out fine. I absolutely love the finished look of this hair after I take all of the pins out. The curls look so defined, and I love how defined they look given that this is like a balayage hair color, so it's like you can really see the highlights. And I didn't brush through the hair after I took the clips out. I just used my fingers to like finger comb it, really, because like brushing the hair would like brush out all the curls. Like I really just wanted to keep the fullness, keep the body, keep the volume. Yeah, and it came out really cute and classic. This hair is super thick, and I didn't have any issues with like tangling or shedding or anything like this. This is honestly one of my favorite wigs. Like I love the color, I love the lace, I love how well it holds a curl. I actually wound up going out this night after I did my hair, and the curls lasted like all night. I didn't have any trouble with them like falling or anything. I didn't even spray hairspray on it. I never do anyway, just because I'm a little lazy. But yeah, I didn't spray any hairspray, and the curls really lasted. I even got like so many compliments on this hair and the curls itself. So yeah, I absolutely love this wig. So all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.